converting from octal to decimal. So as you all know that how to convert any given binary to decimal. So same steps that you needs to be followed with octal to decimal. Okay, instead of 2 you have to take 8. So now we'll see one by one. So for this example I have taken 1375 of base 8. That means we have taken octal number that needs to be converted into what? Decimal number system. Okay, so this is octal number system. Then we have to find the positional value for each value. So that means what are the octal numbers? 1, 3, 7, 5. Okay, what is the positional value? We have to write the weightage. So 8 power 0, 8 power 1, then 8 power 2, then 8 power 3. Okay, octal in the sense is nothing but base or radix of octal numbers is 8. So we have to take the positional value with 8. Okay, then we need to find the effective value. So 8 into 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is nothing but 64. 64 into 8 is nothing but 512. 512, then 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Then 8 into 1, that is 8. 8 with any number with power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, then we need to multiply the obtained value by the digit in the corresponding position. Okay, that is regarding step 2. So what we have to do now? First we have to take this given octal number along with effective value. So that 1 into 512 plus 3 into 64, 3 into 64 plus 7 into 8, then plus 5 into 1, 5 into 1. Okay, so after getting all these things we need to sum up the values. So 1 into 512 is nothing but 512 plus 3 into 64 is nothing but 192. 192 plus 7 8s are 56 plus 5 1s are 5. So what we have to do? We have to sum up all the things. Okay, that means what? 512 plus 192 plus 56 plus 5. So we are going to get how much? 765. 765. The base is 10. Okay, so what you have to do while converting any given decimal number system into given octal number into decimal, in the sense we have to write the given octal number system, then we need to find the positional value along with effective value. That means what we are going to get after cubing or squaring all these numbers, then we need to multiply the given octal number with the effective value. In third step we need to sum up all the values. So hence, how to solve this given number system? One into 8 plus this one, 1 into 8 plus 3 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus 5 into 8. We need to give the positional weights. That means from power 0 to power n. So it can be anything. So 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2 up to 8 power 3 for this example. So 1 into 8 into 8 and 8 is nothing but 512 plus 3 into 64 plus 7 into 8 plus 5 into 1, because any number with power 0 is 1. So 512 plus 64 into 3 is nothing but 192 plus 7 8s are 56 plus 5 into 1 is 5. Okay, so we are going to get sum as 765. Base is 10. So in exams you have to do all the 3 steps here. Okay, no need to write all the steps. You just want to write these things. First you have to take a given octal number and multiply by 8, and then plus given octal number with 8 up to last digit. Okay, then you need to give the weightage from left to right, then multiply all the corresponding digit with a given octal number, then sum up the things, then write down the decimal value which is obtained. Okay, so this is regarding conversion of octal to decimal. So now we'll see how to convert any given octal fraction to decimal. So this is another example, that is conversion of octal to decimal. So what we have to do in first step, we have to take the given digit and that needs to be multiplied by 8, because we are dealing with conversion of octal to binary, octal to decimal. So that octal is nothing but base or radix of octal is 8. So that given octal number must be multiplied with base or radix of that number system. So that we have to take 8 here. So 7 into 8 plus 3 into 8 plus 5 into 8 plus. So this is regarding positive or whole number value. Then we have to take the numbers which is reside right to the octal point, that is 4 into 8 plus 6 into 8. Okay, so up to this number we need to give the positive weightage, that starts with 0, then 1, then 2. Okay, so whatever the number which is reside right to the octal point, that we need to give the negative weightage, that starts from 1, minus 1 and then minus 2. Okay, so 7 into 8 into 8 is nothing but 64 plus 3 into 8 plus 5 into 1 plus 4 into 1 by 8. So 8 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 8 plus. So how we have to write here, 6 into 1 by 8 into 8 is nothing but 64. Okay, so now we need to find the product, 64 into 7, so that is nothing but 448 plus 8 into 3, 8 3 is 24 plus 5 into 1 is 5 plus we need to take this value, 4 into 1 divided by 8, 4 into 1 divided by 8. So what will be the output? 0.5, that we have to, plus 6 into 1 by 64. So 6 into 1 by 64. So what will be the output? 0.09375. So now we need to sum up all the values. 448 plus 24 plus 5. Okay, so this is regarding number which is reside left to the octal point. So we are going to get 477. So write down here 477 and then octal point. Okay, then we need to sum up these two values, 0.5 plus 0.09375. So that is 0.59375. Leave this 0, then take the values from after point, that means 59375. Okay, so that we are going to get 477.59375 of base 10, because we have converted the given octal number system into decimal. So this is regarding converting from octal to decimal.